All right, Neville Goddard's 7-day proof the ladder experiment. That's what we're doing. Tonight, you strengthen the paradox. During the day, you continue to say, I will not climb a ladder, and you must mean it. I will not climb a ladder. You see it, you see it, you see it everywhere. This is the paradox. The contradiction is the key. At night, you climb it again in imagination. You get your arms on there, get your foot on there, climb up 2 or 3 rungs. Don't need to go any higher. We're not trying to climb over the building. Go back to the bottom, start again. You're in an uncomfortable position in sleep, so you can at least get a couple of these in. Then go to your side or your back or where you normally would fall asleep. But get this in. Your conscious mind says no. That's your day activity. Your subconscious mind accepts the imaginal act. Okay? That's the mechanism. Do this each day, and we're going to see you in tomorrow's video 4.